the snap, drops, throws, picked up by the Lions. Coming back the other way, DeAndre Levy. Touchdown, Detroit Lions. How about that?
Another down and set with 8 on the play clock. Pulls from center from the 26 of the Jets. Sets to throw. Leading knocks down the left sideline.
This is Ventnor Avenue in Atlantic City. At about 12 miles an hour. There is life. The New Richmond Avenue School. Some people are just idiots. Also wonder why Atlantic City doesn't put flashing lights on in emergency. It's just lots of snow here. Hello. Yeah, I got out from Kenny's and before I left that area, I wanted to know if you needed anything important or anything. I know, I'm sorry, and I don't even know what I was thinking, so. Right now, I'm taking a video of me driving on Ventnor Avenue to my folks' house. Yeah. I'm doing 10 miles an hour. I'm really doing, it's unbelievable. I mean, I'm looking, that's why I came to my mom and dad, so I could, it's really beautiful. I mean, it's still beautiful right now. Huh? Yeah, well, I figure I'll go and dig them out. I'm looking at cars. They're... Uh-huh. Right. Right. I'm looking at some of the cars and they are buried up to their roofs. That's a car. I drove right off. I was parked on the sidewalk. I pulled right off into the street. Yeah, it's really funny. Like, some of these cars are literally... No. The snow is very soft. The snow is very soft. Yeah. Anyway, can I call you back? Yeah, thank you. Alright, bye-bye. It's Winchester Avenue. Dave Russo. And they haven't plowed this street. It's like 3 feet deep.